Hello guys, welcome to Miniature GT. I hope you all are fine. In previous video we have seen Hotwheels Mopar 5-pack 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. Link is given in the description. Today we are going to unbox 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8. So guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button, so you don't miss the video updates. So, guys, back on track. The Dodge Challenger concept was unveiled at the 2006 North American International Auto Show and was a preview for the third-generation Dodge Challenger that started its production in 2008. Many design cues of the Dodge Challenger concept were adapted from the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. 2008 models were SRT8s and equipped with the 6.1L Hemi V8 engine, 425 horsepower and a 5-speed autostick automatic transmission. The base model Challenger SE was initially powered by a 3.5L stock V6 engine rated at 250 horsepower and 250 lb-ft, 339 Nm, 35 kgm of torque, which was coupled to a 4-speed automatic transmission. Hotwheels Mopar Dodge Challenger SRT8 painted in shiny white color with blue and black colored decals and Mopar badging on the side panel enhanced the car. Shiny blue color wheel rim looks good. Detailing on the car is so good. Windshield and sunroof are made from acrylic, headlights and taillights are painted in body color. Panel creases are nicely made. Back tire of the SRT8 is so wide, base of the car is made from black plastic, but details are good. So, guys, do you like this video? Please comment below and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Like this video, like button is absolutely free, you don't have to pay to press the like button.